Hi guys! I thought I would put a list of the most basic tools that you need to start making jewelry, and I thought I would share that with you. One thing that I think is the most important here, and I wanted to take away from this video, is that it's not the amount of tools that makes you a professional jewelry maker. It's a skill. Skills that you work on every day by practicing and practicing and practicing, even if all you do for now is stacking rings, because you will be very good at it, and then you can be waking up in the middle of the night and you will know everything about sizing, about cutting and creating rings. And once you get a torch and you will be able to solder them, that's just the next step for you, but you will know everything about creating rings from the start. So get proficient at basic techniques, because you'll be using them forever. You're just gonna build on top of them. So everything that you can learn now will serve you later, and everything that's more advanced is actually based on all these basic skills that you can get. Also, without spending a lot of money, you will be able to see if silversmithing, metalsmithing is actually something you want to do, and if not, no harm done. But if you decide that you do want to do it and progress, then you're free to buy more new tools and advance.